Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to transfer photos and videos from a Samsung phone to a USB drive. And if you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now this can be very necessary if you want to back up your phone storage by simply moving all of your photos and videos from your Samsung phone into your USB drive. So first things first, you would need your USB drive just like this one over here. And if your USB drive does not have a USB Type-C output but a USB just like this one, you would also need an adapter that looks just like this. Now this is actually an adapter that supports a USB input to a USB Type-C. So you want to get an adapter that looks just like this. I'm also going to be leaving links to this particular adapter in the description of this video in case you want to get it. Now once you have yours, you want to get your USB drive and then just connect the USB part of your USB drive into this adapter just like so. That is from the bottom, and then make sure it actually connects firmly, and then get your Samsung phone, then proceed to connect the USB-C output of your adapter into your Samsung phone. That is a charging port on your Samsung phone. Now automatically once you connect it, you should get a notification on your Samsung phone. You can literally see mine, but if you do not get a notification, you don't have to worry. What you want to do now is to locate for the Files app or My Files app or File Manager app on your Samsung phone. So you can just open up the list of apps on your Samsung phone, come over here and then just search for Files, and you should be able to find the My Files app. Go ahead and open it up, and from over here you should be able to find your USB drive that has been connected to your Samsung phone. You can literally see mine. Now in order for you to transfer photos and videos from your Samsung phone into your USB drive, all you just have to do is to go over to your internal storage, which is basically your Samsung phone storage, and then locate the particular folder where the image or video is in your Samsung phone. So I can go over to the DMZ, go over to camera. These are basically all the videos and photos I have in my Samsung phone currently. And if I want to transfer or move any of these into my USB storage or my USB drive, all I just have to do is to long press on that particular video. This is basically a video. I can as well add it up with some photos as well. Just mark all of the videos and photos you want to send, and then what you want to do is to just click on the move option. If you do not see the move option from the bottom, click on the more option or the three dot icon at the bottom over here. Sometimes it can actually be at the top as well, but once you find it, just click on more and you should be able to find the move option. All you just have to do now is to click on the move option from over here and then select your USB drive or your USB storage. So click on USB storage. Now you want to also select the folder where you want the photos and videos to be transferred from your Samsung phone into your USB drive. So I can go ahead and select any of the folders over here, or I can also create a new folder if I want by clicking on the plus icon from over here for the USB drive. So I can just click on create, and this is basically a new folder in the USB drive. I can select on the new folder over here, click on the move here option, and automatically my photos and videos will be moved from my Samsung phone into this USB drive. And once it is completed, you can just go back to your USB drive. So I can come over here, come over to my USB drive, and then open up the folder. And as you can see, these are my photos and videos I just sent. That will be all on today's video. Please let me know if this video was helpful, guys.